Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best cutter backyard is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine and pest-free outdoor living space, offering a powerful and reliable solution to combat common garden nuisances and ensure your backyard remains an enjoyable sanctuary throughout the warmer months, making it a worthwhile investment for those who value comfort and tranquility in their personal outdoor environment. Number 5. Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Repeller Bundle. Enjoy your outdoor spaces without the nuisance of mosquitoes. This device creates a 15-foot zone of protection, keeping those pesky bugs away from your patio, deck, or pool area. It's powered by a simple, compact fuel cartridge, eliminating the need for cords or batteries. The scent-free repellent is activated by heat, driving mosquitoes away effectively. Say goodbye to sticky sprays and lotions. This alternative offers maximum protection without any smoke, flames, or strong odors, letting you enjoy your time outdoors. Our formula is inspired by natural plant extracts and has been independently tested and reviewed for safety. It's a people and pet-friendly solution for keeping bugs at bay. This bundle includes everything you need for extended use. You get 2 repellers, fuel cartridges for 24 hours of operation, and 6 repellent mats for up to 24 hours of protection. We stand by our product with a satisfaction guarantee. Register your product to extend your warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This offers a large zone of protection without the need for batteries or cords. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to keep mosquitoes away from your entire patio or deck, this is a great choice. Enjoy your outdoor gatherings without the constant annoyance of bugs. What people say. It comes with fuel cartridge and 3 repellent mats, so it can be used right away. Once activated, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to kick in, and after that, you're in a noticeably mosquito-free bubble. The best part is that it's completely odorless. No sticky sprays, no harsh smells, and nothing to apply to your skin. Number 4. Cutter Backyard Bug Control Outdoor Fogger, 12-pack. Tired of annoying flying insects ruining your outdoor fun? This powerful fogger eliminates mosquitoes on contact, letting you reclaim your space. Perfect for your backyard, deck, or patio, it ensures you can relax and enjoy your time outdoors without bothersome bugs. It doesn't just stop at mosquitoes. This fogger also effectively kills other flying pests like gnats, flies, and wasps. With one can, you can treat an area up to 1,200 cubic feet, covering a significant portion of your yard. Should the need arise, you can reapply as necessary to maintain your bug-free oasis. Just ensure you don't treat more than once a day. What we like. This product provides a quick knockdown of mosquitoes and other flying insects in a large area. If you have a significant bug problem in your backyard, on your deck, or at your picnic spot and need immediate relief, this fogger is ideal. It's perfect for preparing an area for use. What people say. Works well and covers a big area. One can easily cover my grass, concrete, and area by the back door. I didn't need to reapply, it lasted through the night and even the next day. Great range up to 8 feet. Strong and fast acting, does great around campsites and trailers. Number 3. Cutter Backyard Bug Control Outdoor Fogger, 2-pack. Tired of annoying flying insects ruining your outdoor fun? This powerful fogger eliminates mosquitoes and other pests on contact, so you can relax. Create a comfortable oasis in your backyard, deck, or patio. Now you can truly enjoy your outdoor living areas without buzzing nuisances. It doesn't just stop at mosquitoes. This fogger also effectively kills gnats, flies, wasps, flying moths, and even listed ants. Each can provides ample coverage, treating spaces up to 1,200 cubic feet. That's enough to cover an area of 8 by 10 by 15 feet. Maintain your pest-free zone by reapplying as necessary. Enjoy continuous comfort in your outdoor spaces, up to once per day. What we like. This offers the same powerful, fast-acting bug control as the single pack, but with double the value. If you frequently use outdoor foggers or have a large area to treat, this 2-pack ensures you're well stocked. It's perfect for maintaining a bug-free environment throughout the season. What people say. The cutter backyard is a great addition to any outdoor space, providing a comfortable and stylish seating option. Its durable construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for your patio or deck. The assembly process is straightforward and can be completed in under an hour, allowing you to enjoy your new furniture quickly. Number 2. SnapFresh Cordless Grass Shear Bush Trimmer. Introducing a versatile 2-in-1 tool that combines grass shears and a bush trimmer. It comes with interchangeable blades for efficient yard care, easily cutting branches up to 0.31 inches thick. Experience precise trimming with its upgraded motor and sharp steel blades. It delivers consistent cutting performance on lawns, hedges, bushes, and small plants. Weighing just over a pound, this tool is designed for easy one-handed operation and comfortable control. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Enjoy peace of mind with its dual safety lock system, preventing accidental activation. This ensures safe and reliable cordless operation for all users. Trim your yard without the hassle of cords or loud noise. The built-in rechargeable battery offers freedom to trim anywhere, from front yards to flower beds. This makes an ideal gift for any DIY yard care enthusiast. It's perfect for detailed trimming, hedge maintenance, and general garden grooming. What we like. This tool offers versatility with both hedge trimming and grass shearing capabilities in a lightweight, cordless design. If you enjoy DIY yard care and need a convenient tool for detailed trimming, hedge maintenance, and grass edging without the hassle of cords, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for maintaining smaller gardens and hedges with ease. What people say. It is well built, sturdy and very safe to use. It is lightweight and easy to use. The battery hasn't needed charging after around 4 hours of use. It is also good to trim off dead leaves on hostas and deadhead roses. I also used it to trim the grass along the garden's border that the lawn mower can't reach. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for quick yard cleanups. Switching between the grass shear and hedge trimmer attachments is seamless, and the battery lasted long enough to complete all my tasks in one go. Number 1. Mr. Penn Gardening Scissors Pruning Shears. Introducing the Mr. Penn Gardening Scissors. Designed for comfort, these shears feature an ergonomic handle to reduce hand fatigue during use. Experience effortless cutting with the built-in spring-loaded mechanism. It automatically opens the blades, requiring minimal effort from you. The precision-sharpened blades are crafted from durable stainless steel. They are perfect for delicate tasks like deadheading roses or trimming bonsai. Achieve precise, accurate cuts on plants and trees with these high-quality shears. The specially designed blades allow for detailed work without causing hand fatigue. For your safety, a built-in lock mechanism keeps the shears securely closed when not in use. This protects both the blades and your fingers. Beyond gardening, these versatile shears are also great for cutting light materials like paper and cloth, or opening boxes without damage. What we like. These shears are designed for comfort and precision, making delicate pruning tasks effortless. If you are a gardener who values accuracy and wants to avoid hand fatigue while deadheading, shaping bonsai, or tending to flower gardens, these are the perfect clippers. They are also useful for light cutting tasks beyond gardening. What people say. Very good scissors. The quality is awesome, cuts perfectly through any kind of thought or any kind of thing that you may be trimming. It works great and is a good value for the money, works on all plants. Good weight, very sharp and perfect for deadheading my roses. Fits comfortably in my hand and very easy to use. Nice and sharp. Perfect for reaching into small places. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.